Welcome back to Learning Lane, the place where history's hidden stories come alive. Today we're diving into one of the most fascinating and lesser known aspects of World War II: the secret maps that were used to outsmart enemies, guide soldiers, and even help prisoners of war escape. These weren't ordinary maps. Some were disguised in playing cards, sewn into clothing, or even hidden inside board games. Let's unfold the secrets. 1. The role of maps in World War II. Maps were absolutely critical during World War II, serving as essential tools for strategy, navigation, and survival. Both the Axis and Allied powers relied heavily on them to plan invasions, coordinate supply routes, and design escape plans for soldiers caught behind enemy lines. However, secrecy was paramount. If even a single map fell into enemy hands, entire missions could be exposed and compromised, making the protection and concealment of these maps just as important as their use. 2. The British escape maps, silk and tissue maps. The British intelligence agency MI9 came up with a brilliant solution to help captured soldiers: escape maps printed on silk or tissue paper. These materials were lightweight, waterproof, and silent to unfold, making them perfect for covert use. They were cleverly concealed inside uniform seams, buttons, and even cigarette packets, giving soldiers a secret advantage if they ever found themselves behind enemy lines. 3. Monopoly escape kits. One of the most ingenious wartime tricks involved turning Monopoly board games into escape kits for prisoners of war. Working with the toy company Waddington's, the British secretly inserted silk maps, miniature compasses, metal tools, and even real currency into the game sets. Disguised as harmless entertainment and delivered through Red Cross parcels, these board games provided prisoners with the vital resources they needed to attempt daring escapes. 4. Invisible ink and hidden messages. Another clever tactic was the use of invisible ink to conceal maps within letters or drawings. To the untrained eye, these documents looked ordinary, but with heat or special chemicals, hidden routes, enemy base locations, and safe houses were revealed. This method allowed resistance fighters and intelligence officers to exchange critical information without arousing suspicion from enemy forces. 5. Aviation and naval maps. Pilots and sailors required specialized maps that could withstand harsh conditions, so many were printed with coatings that resisted water, oil, and even fire. These maps were often sewn into flight jackets or tucked inside boots, ensuring they remained hidden, yet accessible during emergencies. Some airmen even carried compass needles disguised as uniform pins, which, when paired with the secret maps, could guide them to safety if they were shot down or stranded. 6. Captured enemy map. Beyond creating their own secret maps, the Allies also sought to capture those belonging to the enemy. German and Japanese maps often contained details about troop movements, supply routes, and hidden fortifications, making them invaluable intelligence assets. Securing one of these maps could provide insights more powerful than weaponry, changing the course of battles and operations. 7. The legacy of World War II secret maps. Today, many of these secret maps are preserved in museums and private collections, serving as a testament to human ingenuity during one of history's darkest times. They represent more than just navigation tools. They symbolize resilience, creativity, and the determination to survive. Whether hidden in clothing, disguised as games, or written in invisible ink, these maps remind us of the incredible lengths people went to in order to fight for freedom. From silk sheets to Monopoly boards, these secret maps played a silent but powerful role in shaping the outcome of World War II. They weren't just paper, they were passports to freedom and survival. If you enjoyed this journey into the hidden corners of history, don't forget to like this video, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you never miss an episode of Learning Lane. Until next time, keep exploring, keep learning,